Hey, what's up, guys? So I just bought this toolbox for $20 off of OfferUp, and I just thought I'd restore it. It's a little project, so let's see how it turns out. So right here, I just cleaned the box with degreaser, and I cleaned off the rust with this. Sounds weird, but I cleaned it off with a toilet cleaner. It's called Lime Away, and this metal brush. I got this tip off of this guy off of YouTube. He cleaned off chrome with this. It worked really good for me on this metal. You'll see when I finish it off right now. So I just sanded it down here. I didn't mean to go bare metal all the way, but a few parts I did. There was a few parts that had rust, and I just had to go down deep. And I just masked off with tape the parts I didn't want to pretty much paint. And here it is done, painted and finished.